Joining me now is Darren Andrews. You know him, he's a clinical director from PAI Medical Group. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, so recently I saw Don Stuck. I've heard Gunner, because you can't not hear Gunner. I ran into Gunner over the holidays. He's looking great. I actually chastised him because he had a baseball hat on.
Yeah. The butler hat.
Right, yeah. Well, which I get the pride, but dude, it's going really well, but they're not the only VIPs.
Right, so JMV, 1070 the fan.
Yeah, I know he's been talking about, people see him at sporting events in the back of his head because he's got the good seats.
Yeah, the monkey butt as he calls it. Yeah, he's 1 year, past 1 year post-transplant. So he's all done, and we're going to do some PRP treatment on him shortly, which is one of the options just from a maintenance point of view to keep the non-transplant
hair. That still maximizes the impact.
The transplant hair is permanent. That just helps keep that non-transplanted hair.
Okay.
So, and here he is here.
Yeah.
So that's his before and after front tilt. This is talking us through the day of his procedure. There's the infamous monkey butt, as he calls it, and the area we transplanted. We did some plasma with him during the transplant.
Sure, that again also maximizes the impact, right?
Yeah, healing and recovery, and just makes it easier for the patient. The area we took the hair from in the back, genetically permanent hair, moved it to the top, maintains that permanency in the top. This is getting the plasma ready, getting the grafts ready, and placing the grafts, and his before and after results. And we're going to hear from JMV here in just a second, his thoughts on things and where he's at. So, yeah, he looks great. Really good before and after again.
People that have seen me at sporting events before go, wait a minute, you didn't look like that. You're not the same guy that had the bald spot that I saw 6 months ago. And I said, no, it's because I use PAI.
And it looks like he's trying some styles he wouldn't otherwise be trying.
He's mixing it up a little bit. Change the hair color.
So we're going to switch speeds here. Welcome to the Anderson Cooper lookalike competition. This is Chris Holmquist. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
Fantastic head of hair. What was your? I know no two situations are necessarily alike, but I know it affects not just men, women too, in a lot of ways. So what was your situation?
Well, back when I was a sophomore at Ball State University, I had some nosebleeds.
Chirp, chirp.
I had some nosebleeds that I thought was caused by dry air. It actually turned out to be a tumor in my nasal passage.
Whoa.
So I had to go through 5 weeks of radiation at the University of Chicago, and with all that concentrated laser effect was on my crown area and on the temples. They said it would probably increase the chance I'd lose my hair, which I did.
Okay, but at that time, it's like, okay, it's still a no-brainer because you have to get it done, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So then, well, congratulations on your recovery. So but was there an aha day or moment, or did you catch yourself in a window or a mirror where they're like, you know what, I really need to make the call for the consultation?
Well, as I tried going as short as I could with my haircut, and apparently that just wasn't working. And I'm thinking, okay, there's got to be something done there. So, and there's a lot of different options out there, but this is the one that I saw, and I said, it's a free consultation. I'll sit down with Darren and see what he has to say. The thing that sold me was that it's going to be my actual hair that's growing back.
Sure.
So I like to say that science took my hair away with the radiation, and then Darren and science brought it back.
Okay, this is you?
This is me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something else is very different.
I don't know if you noticed that.
Not just the amount of hair.
Correct.
But the color.
Yes. Well, that was the beautiful thing, was that once the hair started coming back in, I was able to do with it what I wanted.
What you wanted, yeah.
So I was able to go with my Ric Flair look and go all blonde.
Woo!
Yeah, woo, absolutely.
So this is not typical.
Right.
His circumstances are pretty specific.
Yeah. And the thing is, whether it's medical hair loss or genetic, we can deal with it. When you put the hair back, it's permanent either way. And you can color your hair, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of guys ask me, hey, can I color my hair? Chris's frontal hairline, I mean, it's phenomenal now. And we did the front, we did the crown, and super natural, and very gratifying from our point of view to help anybody, but this particular situation was obviously great.
Grow hair. You grow a little bit of jealousy too. I'm just saying that sort of happens. So the first step, I mean, is just free no commitment, no whatever. Just get the information and find out if you're a good candidate, which you likely are.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to the website wegrowhairindy.com or calling us at 888-724-5129. And that free private evaluation, and we can help everybody. We have every available option, surgical, non-surgical.
Yeah, exactly.
You need.
Yeah, and the other options, again, not just men, the women. We've talked to Nikki. You got all the radio VIPs.
Right.
Nikki, we got Gunner, we got Don Stuck. Back to Ric Flair. Did you borrow his jewelry?
No. This is
what is it? What is
this
that?
This is Ball State. So I managed our basketball team back when I was in college, and we're on national TV tomorrow. So
awesome.
Doubleheader at Worland Arena.
You might want to stop to our weather center, Brad.
Oh.
Big Ball State.
Is that right? Oh.
All right. Well, congratulations. It looks great. Of course, it still looks great.
Thank you, sir.
Guys.
Good to see you.
Thanks so much.
INDYStyle.tv.
Thank you so much.
Randy? Yours came back. You were lucky.
I was very fortunate.
You were very fortunate.
Yeah, it was gone, but it came back, and I'm keeping it short here.
It does. It looks nice.
Yeah, it's okay, I guess. It's easy to take care of, I'll tell you that and everything, but I was very blessed that it came back the way it did, so,
yeah, that's true.
yeah.
Looking nice.
Yeah,
I just love the confidence too with them. I mean, you can
Absolutely.
just see it radiating all over their body, and
Absolutely.
that is a huge, huge thing. You know,
I
just
agree.
with life, with career, with everything. It's a nice personal journey to get that back for sure.